Next, exercise 8.1, question number 6 and 7. Question number 6, if angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A equal to cos B, then show that angle A equal to angle B. Show that angle A equal to angle B. Some condition already given there. Angle A and angle B are acute angles. Then cos A equal to cos B. So first we have to write it given. Angle A and angle B are acute angles. Cos A equal to cos B. These two conditions already given. To prove angle A equal to angle B. Next proof. First you draw a figure. Angle A and angle B are acute angle. Definitely see as a 90 degree. This is 90 degree. A, B. Okay. Here cos A. Cos A equal to cos B, already given that cos A equal to cos B. In this figure, first we calculate cos A. What is cos A? Cos A equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side of angle A? AC by AB. AC by AB equal to, next cos B. Cos B, adjacent side of angle B is BC by AB. BC by AB. Cos A equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Cos B, or adjacent side of angle A, is AC by AB. Cos B, adjacent side means what? BC by AB. AC by AB equal to BC by AB. These two denominators are same. Then you can write it AC equal to BC. What is the meaning of AC equal to BC? These two sides are equal. That means angle A equal to angle B. What is the reason? Angle A equal to angle B. AC equal to BC means this is an isosceles right angle triangle. In isosceles triangle, the angle opposite to equal sides are equal. That means AC equal to BC means angle A equal to angle B. Next one, question number 7. If cot theta equal to 7 by 8, evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Theta is an unknown angle. 7 by 8 is the ratio, represent its ratio. 7 is to 8. First we have to draw a triangle. This considers theta. Okay, cot theta equal to 7 by 8. Cot, what is the meaning of cot theta? Cot theta means adjacent side by opposite side. That means reciprocal of tan theta. Theta is an unknown number, unknown angle. Okay, then cot theta equal to adjacent side by opposite side. What is the adjacent side of theta? BC. BC by opposite side AB. Okay. BC by AB equal to 7 by 8. That means BC is to AB equal to 7 is to 8. 7 and 8 not in centimeter. That means ratio. BC is to AB equal to 7 is to 8. Then here multiplied by K, BC equal to 7K, AB equal to 8K. We don't know the correct measurement. Then you multiply it by K, BC equal to 7K, AB equal to 8K. AC hypotenuse not given. Find out the hypotenuse by Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus altitude square. Here AC square equal to AB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. AB square equal to 8K whole square plus 7K whole square equal to what? 8K square means 64K square plus 49K square. 113K square. Therefore, AC equal to a root of 113K square equal to a root of 113K. Okay. Here 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Here A in numerator A plus B into A minus B form. A in the place of A 1, in the place of B sin theta. What is A plus B into A minus B? A square minus B square. Same as in denominator. A plus B into A minus B. You can write it 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, 1 square minus sin theta whole square by 1 square minus cos theta whole square. That means A square minus B square whole divided by A square minus B square. Here sin theta whole square can be written as 1 square equal to 1. Sin theta whole square can be written as sin square theta. Sin theta whole square is equal to sin square theta divided by 1 minus cos square cos theta whole square can be written as cos square theta. Okay. Next we have to calculate sin theta and cos theta. Sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. AB by AC equal to AB equal to 8K divided by root 113K, that is equal to 8 by root 113. Next cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that means BC by AC equal to 7K divided by root 113K. Cancel K, then 7 by root 113. Substitute this. Therefore, 1 minus sin square theta by 1 minus cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin theta whole square. Sin square theta means sin theta whole square. That means 8 by root 113 whole square by 1 minus 7 by root 113 whole square equal to 1 minus 64 by 113 by 1 minus 49 by 113. Take the LCM, we will get 113 minus 64 by 113 whole divided by 113 minus 49 divided by 113 equal to 113 minus 64 equal to 49 by 113 whole divided by 64 by 113. Take the reciprocal 113 into 113 divided by 64. Cancel 113 and 113. 49 by 64 is the answer. Okay. Second one, cot square theta. Cot square theta means what? Cot theta whole square. What is cot theta? 7 by 8 whole square. 7 by 8 whole square equal to 49 by 64. Cot square theta equal to cot theta whole square, 7 by 8 whole square equal to 49 by 64.